Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk 2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams, and start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And if you have any doubts, you can connect him in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. Join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And let's go to our tomorrow's to-do list. As usual, before 9 a.m., revise all basics of each subject like squares, tables, formulas, and some brief notes of your weak areas. Revise all that once before 9 a.m. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. They provide daily quizzes for all subjects, and you can attempt English quizzes from that website, and those quizzes are very helpful for all our prelims exams, so attempt all those quizzes. After that, give your time for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir's YouTube channel, and you can choose either one of those. And from that editorial video, note down all vocabulary words, rules, idioms, and phrasal verbs. Note down all that ones from editorial videos. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of source, either SmartKida or textbook or Olibot or any other source. So attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. After that, give your time for practicing quant and reasoning sections for at least 2 hours. And from 4 days, we are practicing simple interest questions. And tomorrow for quant section, watch basic level videos for the topic of compound interest. And we have many YouTube channel for compound interest topic, and watch basic videos and learn from basic level for any topic. So tomorrow for quant section, watch basic level videos for compound interest topic. And for reasoning, last week we are all completed the puzzle series of all types, and from tomorrow onwards, watch videos by Ankush Lamba sir of 100 puzzle series, and those videos are very helpful for all our prelims exams of reasoning puzzles of all types. So watch those videos for this week. And in afternoon, we planned for mains preparation. And who are beginners, they all revise the morning schedule and practice PDFs for your weak areas, and also attempt quizzes from any website of your weak areas, and also give 1 hour for English section. And who are preparing for mains, tomorrow they practice previous year papers from Olibot website. In Olibot, SBIClerk previous papers are there, so practice all those as much as possible. Give your time for practicing 2 or more papers, and from that identify your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on the paper for the next day preparation. And give your time as much as possible for your mains preparation for practicing all these PDFs and quizzes. And who are beginners, they give 1 hour for English section, and for that English section, attempt quizzes for close test topic from websites of SmartKida and Byju's. They provide free PDFs and quizzes, so attempt quizzes from those websites for your English section for beginners. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs, and read daily current affairs. And from 4 days, we are reading February 4th week current affairs from the sources of Affairs Cloud or Adda 247 or Study IQ. And tomorrow, attempt quizzes from Affairs Cloud website of February 4th week current affairs. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And that's all for current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, attempt second prelims mock test of the day, and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down your all weak areas and prepare some brief notes for the next day preparation. And that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation, and keep fighting with your preparation. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.